Hi, my name is Camille, and I'd like to give my review and testimonial to my experience at Peak Capital Trading Bootcamp. The best way I could describe my experience at Bootcamp would be intense, revelatory, and game-changing. The intensity lies in what could best be described as a very thoughtfully and carefully curated curriculum that laid the groundwork through a step-by-step process that really helped me define my trade book and my edge in the market. The structural nature of the program kept my focus oriented towards the process of journaling correctly, collecting the correct data, and eliminating that which proved unuseful to my trade book and my edge. And also helped cancel out a lot of the outside noise and distractions that had plagued me in the past and led me to overtrade, which I stopped doing almost immediately upon beginning this program. The revelatory part is what I really discovered in Bootcamp galvanized my understanding of what separates the professional from the amateur trader. And the game changer was 100% the direct line of communication that I had with the moderators and mentors at Peak Capital. The level of support that I received through a myriad of emails, one-on-one mentorship, and guidance and critique of my trades and my trade book helped tremendously to keep me on track and reach my goals as a trader. So this program is incredible, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to get better at trading, wants to help further develop their edge, is struggling with one or another aspect in your trading journey or career. The boot camp process at Peak Capital Trading is second to none.